finance finessers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kenneth Collins and this is KennGotHustle, where we discuss personal finance, self-development, and anything that's going to make us better hustlers in order for us to achieve our financial freedom. So be sure to hustle over and finesse that like and subscribe button. Now, before I move on, I just want to say you guys are awesome. And I say this because at the time of this video, I have reached 100 subscribers. And I am truly grateful to you guys for helping me reach this feat and helping me get to this point. I did not expect to grow this fast, and I didn't expect you guys to react the way you have. So all of the support I've been getting is just super appreciated, greatly appreciated, and I just want to say thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Now, I'm sorry I was not prepared to hit 100 subscribers this fast, so I don't have anything prepared in the form of giveaways or anything like that. So I will be thinking of things I can do for you guys to show you my appreciation to you. Now, let's get into it. The reason you're all here. You read the description, you've seen the thumbnail, and you're all waiting for that thing. The thing that you can invest in that's going to make you rich and that's going to get you all the things you want, put you in the places you want to be. And I'm here to tell you, this is going to be something that's going to change your lives forever. Okay, all right. So, you ready? You got your notepad? Because you're going to need it. You're going to have to take notes for this. But, okay. The most important thing you can invest in to ensure success in your life is yourself. Yeah, you heard me right. The most important thing that you can invest in is yourself. And this is the only way that you'll be able to reach all of your goals. Now, I know you were expecting something else. You probably were expecting a get rich quick scenario or something that's just going to make you a millionaire tomorrow, but I'm sorry, this isn't that. You are the author to your own story, the center and the foundation to your own success. The work you put into yourself today is going to determine the success you'll have tomorrow. So here are a couple of things that you should invest in order to become better versions of yourself to ensure your success. The first being mental health or your education. This is important because this determines your knowledge pool. And the bigger your knowledge pool, the more information you have to pull from, and the better equipped you are going to be to face the challenges out in the world. The things you can do to invest in this is read books, listen to audiobooks, listen to podcasts, watch informational YouTube videos, documentaries, you name it. There's so many tools out there to increase our education, increase our knowledge. If you want to go back to school, great. If you don't, great. Whatever you decide to do, make sure you're doing something that's going to increase your current skill level in whatever field or whatever area you want. There are people that are street smart, there are people that are book smart, there are people that are smart through hard work. They are people that are smart through experience. Whatever works best for you, go for that. Now, things you don't want to do and you want to start to cut out are things like wasted time in entertainment, wasted time watching TV, wasted time watching the wrong types of YouTube videos, wasted time listening to anything that's not providing you value. Now, I'm not telling you to cut these things out entirely, but just limit them. Find a healthy balance so that you're not filling yourself with stuff that isn't useful to you. The next thing you need to invest in is your physical health. And this consists of exercising, eating healthy, and your presentation. You want to make sure you're exercising at least 30 minutes, 5 days a week. And you want to make sure you're consuming mostly healthy foods so you get the energy you need to perform throughout the day. And lastly, you want to make sure your presentation is on point. Your presentation is very important because this is what you show people. This is how people first see you. So when you introduce yourself to the world, to your bosses, to people you want to network with, you want to make sure you have a great presentation. And this means you want to look good, You want to smell good. You want to present your best self. Now, I just want to bring up a great quote from Deion Sanders, and that is, when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you play good. And when you play good, they pay good. So remember that when you're thinking of your presentation and meeting new people. Now, the next thing you're going to want to invest in is your emotional health. And this is doing anything that's going to make you happy and eliminating anything that doesn't. You want to make sure you're doing the things that make you happy, that motivate you, and that inspire you. So you may need to reevaluate certain things in order to find your happiness. You might have to reevaluate your work situation. You might have to reevaluate your friend group and your circle. Eliminate self-doubt and gain the courage to change the things in your life that aren't serving you, because you're only hurting yourself when you keep things in your life that are doing nothing for you and that aren't bringing you happiness. Now, the last thing I want you to invest in is your spiritual health. Now, this could be many things. Religion for some, therapy for others, meditation, or your support group. Whatever it is, I want you to invest in that and focus on that and make sure you're in alignment with that. If it's religion, are you praying? Are you doing things that are therapeutic to you, such as sports or actually speaking to someone? Are you spending time alone and meditating? Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? You'll have to ask yourself these things and determine how you are putting good energy out into the world. Because I believe in the law of attraction. The energy you put out is the energy you're going to receive. Lastly, you're going to want to master your ego. The ego is something that really sets a lot of people back, and it's us getting in our own way. Once you master your ego, you'll understand that most things are out of your control, and that's okay. You'll just learn to adjust to these things and be at peace with them. Oh wait, I almost forgot. There's one more way you can invest in yourself, and that's by hustling over and finessing that like and subscribe button. Okay, before we go, I want you guys to understand, when you begin to invest in yourself, you're going to come across roadblocks, and you're going to have to make some tough decisions. You're going to have to sacrifice some things. Binge that new series or listen to that audiobook. Cut off that long time toxic friend. Surround yourself with new people that are going to inspire you. Eat that tasty treat or eat that vegetable that's going to sustain you for longer. Now, some of these decisions may be tough for some, and trust me, I get it. I understand. But know this, you'll never make the wrong choice when you choose you. Investing in your mental health will grant you wisdom. Investing in your physical health will give you confidence. Investing in your emotional health will make you feel good. And investing in your spiritual health will bring you to your center and bring you at peace. So think about these things when you're making the decisions that's going to affect your life. So if you found any of this information valuable, and if this helped you in any way, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. And I'd actually like to hear what you guys are doing to invest in yourself. Or if you guys have questions for me, please leave me a comment. I'd love to get back to you. And lastly, I just wanted to take a moment out to apologize. To apologize to the people that clicked this video and thought that they were going to get rich quick, or clicked this video and thought they were going to become an overnight success.
Boy, if you don't...
I apologize, because this channel isn't that. And if you're here because of that, this is not the channel for you. I hate to say it, and as much as it would hurt to lose subscribers, this channel isn't for you. This channel is for the people that are ready to cultivate and foster that hustler's mentality, that are willing to get in the mud and do what it takes to become a better person. Because once you become a better person, then you will start to see your life change. Then you will start to see the money start to come in. Then you'll start to see the success come in. Then you'll start to see great people enter your life. But if you think, or you're hoping for a get rich quick or overnight success, this is not it for you. And with that being said, I want to wish you guys peace, positivity, and prosperity.